Hi, guys. Welcome to this tutorial. First of all, let me introduce you to TUSD. TUSD is the first regulated stablecoin fully backed by the US dollar. TUSD.io is the official website of TUSD. You can find all the social handles of TUSD in their website. The TUSDFRAXBP metapool has been integrated as collateral on Sturdy platform. First, go to the official page of Sturdy, that is Sturdy.finance. Sturdy is the first DeFi lending protocol for interest-free borrowing and high-yield lending. Then, click on Enter App. Next, click on Connect Wallet. Connect whatever wallet you want to connect, keeping network in mind. In my case, I am connecting my browser wallet, which is MetaMask. Now you can use this platform to easily deposit or withdraw TUSD. As you can see right now, TUSD has a good APY and curve rewards of 2.73%. Here are the options for deposit and withdrawal. Just enter the amount, choose the use leverage option if you want, and click on continue and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.